Recently, Call of Duty users has reported that the microphone not working for voice chat on the Call of Duty game. And because of that, Call of Duty users can talk or chat with anyone over the Call of Duty apps. Now, Call of Duty microphone issues makes it impossible to communicate while playing games. So, after analyzing the whole matter, I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix microphone not working on voice chat on the Call of Duty apps. So, let's get started. First, enable some important settings from your Call of Duty apps. Open up the apps. Now, come on this first screen of Call of Duty. Now, tap Setting. Tap Audio and Graphic. Now, you need to enable this setting: voice chat, microphone, team voice volume. At the same time, check the voice and make sure to set it 100%. Now just close the Call of Duty and reopen it. If you find that process doesn't work for you, follow the next process. Next, you need to enable access to your microphone on your Android device. So, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Privacy Protection, tap Microphone. Now find your Call of Duty apps. Now tap Allow only while using the apps. Now restart your phone and check your problem. Now, if you still have issues with your mobile device, now you need to follow 2 more things. First, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, find out the Call of Duty apps, tap on it. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction. Now tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. After that, before you check your problem, lastly, swipe down from the top to make sure that your device not connected with any other device through Bluetooth. After that, open up your voice recorder apps. Now try to record something on your device. And check either it is taking sounds or not. If you see no sound means you have a hardware issue. In that case, you need to go to the service center. But temporarily, you can choose any wireless device to talk to your phone while you're playing the Call of Duty game. After following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with your microphone on the Call of Duty app or not. Thanks for watching.